What are you gonna put in there?
Mentos.
How many are you gonna put in there, dude?
3.
3 of them, dude. Are you gonna be able to get it in there, all 3 of them in there before it explodes?
Yeah. My name is Rice Anderson, and this is my board game challenge.
Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh my. Okay. Go, dude. Put all 3 of them in there.
Okay.
What the? How's it taste? Go ahead and drink it. It's probably not good for you.